We call it the blue planet. But that is the greatest optical illusion in the solar system. Here is the statistic that matters. 97% of the water on Earth is salt. 2% is locked in ice at the poles. That leaves just 1% of all water on Earth available for us to drink. Now imagine that 1% is gone. Maybe the aquifers collapsed, or the pollution threshold was crossed, or the climate shifted violently. The moment the taps sputter and cough out air, the clock starts ticking. But it's a much faster clock than you think. You can survive 3 weeks without food, but without water, you have 3 days. The countdown to extinction doesn't start in a year. It starts right now. And stick around to the end to find out the one shocking reality that will kill civilization before thirst even gets the chance, and the only place on Earth where you might actually survive. On day 1, the panic isn't about thirst, it's about hoarding. The average person in a developed nation uses roughly 80 to 100 gallons of water per day. You might think you only drink a half gallon, but you are forgetting the hidden water. 1 flush of a toilet, 3 gallons. A 10-minute shower, 25 gallons. A running dishwasher, 6 gallons. Suddenly, sanitation stops. In high-rise cities, this is a catastrophe. Without water pressure, sewage systems don't move. Waste begins to accumulate in pipes and then in homes. By the evening of the first day, the price of a single bottle of water skyrockets. It becomes the most valuable commodity on the planet, instantly trading higher than oil or gold. The stock market crashes, but nobody cares. They are too busy calculating how many sips they have left. By day 3, the rule of 3 kicks in. The human body is 60% water. When you lose just 2% of that, your cognitive function drops. You get confused. You get angry. By the time you lose 10%, your kidneys shut down to save your blood volume. Your blood thickens into sludge. Your heart has to work twice as hard to pump it. Hospitals become morgues. Why? Because modern medicine is water. Dialysis requires massive amounts of ultra-pure water. Sterilization requires steam. Without water, infection control is impossible. And then the secondary killers arrive. With no hygiene, diseases we thought we conquered return. Cholera and dysentery spread through populations like wildfire. The leading cause of death isn't just dehydration, it's the collapse of public health. While we are dying of thirst, the world around us is burning. Agriculture accounts for 70% of global freshwater use. It takes roughly 1,800 gallons of water to produce a single pound of beef. It takes 2,000 gallons to grow the cotton for 1 pair of jeans. When the water stops, the food supply vanishes. Livestock die within days. Crops turn to dust. But the biggest shock is energy. Thermal power plants, coal, gas, and nuclear, require billions of gallons of water for cooling. Without it, they must shut down or risk meltdown. So, as your throat closes up on day 4, the lights go out too. If this happened, the interior of continents would become graveyards. The only survivors would be those who made it to the coast. Humanity would huddle on the beaches, frantically building desalination plants to boil the ocean. We would survive, but our numbers would be decimated. We treat water as if it is infinite. It is not. It is the only thing standing between civilization and dust. And we are drinking it faster than the rain can fall.